How to make your ex jealous without being toxic. Breakups can be tough, and it's natural to want your ex to regret losing you. However, being toxic or petty can backfire. Instead, the best way to make them jealous is to focus on self-improvement and happiness. Did you know you can use simple reverse psychology techniques to make your ex want you back? Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Here are 10 ways to do it with class. 1. Upgrade your social media, post about exciting activities, achievements, and adventures, but don't overdo it. Let your happiness appear natural, not forced. 2. Focus on self-improvement, hit the gym, start a new hobby, or advance in your career. Personal growth makes you more attractive and confident. 3. Expand your social life, surround yourself with new people, attend events, and enjoy life. Seeing you thrive socially will make your ex take notice. 4. Be confident and mysterious. Confidence is key. Walk with purpose, maintain eye contact, and don't overshare your emotions. A little mystery adds intrigue. 5. Date casually but authentically. Go on dates if you're ready, but don't use others just to make your ex jealous. Real connections are more powerful than forced ones. 6. Pursue your passions, engage in activities you love. Passionate people are naturally attractive and radiate positive energy. 7. Upgrade your look. A new haircut, stylish clothes, or improved posture can make a big difference. Looking your best boosts your confidence. 8. Flirt lightly but respectfully. A little harmless flirting shows you're desirable without being disrespectful. Keep it fun and natural. 9. Stay unbothered. Don't chase your ex or seek their attention. Being truly indifferent is the best way to make them wonder about you. 10. Be genuinely happy. True happiness is the ultimate revenge. When you focus on your own joy, your ex will notice and maybe even regret losing you. Do you want to learn how to get your ex back with this simple, proven reverse psychology techniques that make your ex beg you to come back? Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more.